looking toward the future, thinking about the past, thinking about being with you. How long can it last? Sunshine warms the heart, takes away the pain. How long sunshine lasts before the rain? Gathering in the sidewalk pools, running down the glass, flowing down the gutter drains, washing off the ash. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Sunshine warms the heart, takes away the pain. How long can sunshine last before the rain? Gathering in the sidewalk pools, running down the glass, washing off the gutter drain, washing off the past. Here comes the rain. 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 Here comes the rain.